Look at her. She don't know what she want to do.
Look at you yelling for no reason.
Look at her backing all the way back out.
Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me free you. Keep this between me and you. Let me free your mind.
Magic is in the air. Period. What's good to all my cousins? Period. So today, it's a prank day, and I know y'all probably mad because I did a prank before, but I didn't post it because my mom talked about some.
Oh, don't post that. Oh, what you posted that? Blah, blah, blah.
So I can't post it. I had did the I got jump prank, but couldn't post it.
Hello. Okay, so we're about to prank my mom. We're about to go run some errands. I know my scarf covering me. We're about to go run some errands. I'm about to put this on the back of her car real quick. Honk for good luck. So everybody can honk at her and she can get mad, looking dumb, and I know what to do when we run the errands and everything. So yeah, I need to hurry up. Alright, I'm gonna go outside and hurry up and try to put this on the back of her car. This can be a fail, or it could go. I just hope she's not in her car. Let me see. Let me see. She in there? I don't think she's in there. But let's go. The neighbors out here. Hi.
You wanted to take us a picture or?
No. I'm about to do something.
How old
okay,
you?
y'all. Huh?
How old you?
I'm 16.
60.
Yeah.
I have one that's just 29 and other is 32.
Oh wow.
And boys, I have a one, 19.
Oh.
Yeah, 19 and the little one 11.
Okay. Ooh. Big old camera. Okay. All right, y'all. Put it on. So yeah, I think I hear my mom right now. So I'm just gonna play it off like I don't know what's going on. Okay, y'all. So I got it on there. As you can see, I got it on there. Hopefully it stays. I don't know. But let's see. Okay, while I was doing that, Sarah was distracting her mom, so she wouldn't know. Okay. Sarah was distracting her, so she won't know I was putting tape on her car. And yeah, we about to see. Hello, hello.
Don't just, Mom, don't be negative, cause no. See, she always being negative.
I'm just saying, don't just invite mass for that reason only.
No, he needs to do fun stuff too. You never want him to do nothing. Is it a store by the Staples?
Like what kind of store?
That's
like,
never mind.
A store, it's like a
Oh,
whole
we
bunch
should
of
go to
stores.
Beyond Envy to see if they got belts. That's over there. This weather is horrible. You know the BT thing was 2 days. It's today and tomorrow, but I didn't know it was 2 days.
Chris is going today.
Oh, you lying.
No, she going with her friend.
She didn't tell us. Ew. She weird for that. She didn't even tell us.
I told her that we going. Why she didn't say she going?
Right.
Maybe because you guys suck.
No, we don't suck. She know we the fun.
No, because her friend's boyfriend is DJing at it.
Oh, really?
So they gonna have more access, more better.
Oh. Man, she a weirdo for that on me.
hours later.
We got to learn how to use the elements. I'm gonna be here.
No, I need to. That's what people do. You let your fans know that you're going to be doing stuff.
Yeah, I guess that's why I couldn't be famous, because I can't be doing that. Okay, we can't even get in here.
There's too many people in this parking lot.
It's always at this freaking Chase. Look, it's a whole line they got backed up. The hell's going on? They hungry asses.
I'll
Went
be.
through the drive-through.
I'm about to go in the bank real fast.
Look at her. She don't know what she want to do.
Look at you yelling for no reason.
Look at her backing all the way back out. Nowhere to park.
Nowhere to park. We might as well go to Staples first.
Staples? I don't gotta go to Staples.
I mean, the place to get the little thing.
The big thing that don't fit in the trunk. Do it.
No. Why you turn this way? Oh, look at that bed.
Yeah, it's big.
Where are we at?
Come on, let's go. Get this over
I don't
with.
think this place.
Let's see. You brought it up. We're here. Let's go.
What is this?
Look at this though. Look at this retard.
Oh, she ruined the video. Oh, you ruined the video again, Mom. She ruined the video. She ruined the video. We can never do a video.
I can't do shit.
Do shortcuts. Right? Why would you park right here?
Because this is where I always park.
Oh my gosh! Now we don't have a video to do today.
Nobody was even honking.
Cause we wasn't
driving on the
we didn't get on the main street yet. Man, this would have been a funny video. No, because you're gonna know why they're honking now. We don't fake pranks like all these other YouTubers. I'm mad. That's irritating. Now we don't even have a prank.
I didn't set that up.
I had to park right here.
I was go see it when we went to freaking Home Depot, dum-dums.
Well, we would have been honked at by then, so it wouldn't have mattered.
I'm talking to you on it right now.
We could have been.
Yes, we did plan it out good enough. You didn't see the sign when we first got in the car. Alright, y'all, so we don't got no video today like we thought we was because she wanted to look at the car like no. So this was a fail, a flop. Another prank not given to y'all. Hopefully one day we do get a good prank because this ain't okay.
The next time you prank me, it ain't gonna work.
No, the next time it is.
We already know.
It is gonna work.
Take that L. Put your big girl drawers on and take that L.
You gonna see?
No.
This is the you can never prank me.
Nah. She would have got pranked if we didn't.
Never pranked.
Man, that would have been a perfect prank. Cause she be getting mad over dumb stuff. So that mess would have been a perfect prank. I've been dying laughing. But so the prank was a fail thanks to her parking on the parking back of the store. So y'all let me know what other pranks I should do on her that could work for real. And other
It will never work. It will never work.
so y'all just y'all DM me a bunch of pranks to do so we could actually get a prank for the summertime.
Take the L right along with her.
But that's the end of this video because it didn't work thanks to Venus and Mom.
I tried. I put it up. Camera almost fell. Neighbors talking to me.
So we just running errands, getting ready for BET tomorrow.
I will be vlogging since you don't want to hold the camera.
So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and all that. Period.
Promise you just let me freak you. Keep this between me